Hey everybody! So Atlantis here is coming out with a lot of great old kits here. These are old monogram kits that they do, and I really appreciate Atlantis coming out with these old kits because you get to build some of the cool older kits, like this really cool Mack Bulldog steak truck. Yes, there's steak, but not that steak. It's a steak truck, so spell it right. Anyways, so yeah, this is old 1920s Mack truck. Not a lot to talk about it, but let's talk about the model kit. Boom, 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 boom. All right. Look at this thing here. So this is straight out of the box build. Watch this. Ah. So this is a straight out of the box build. Nothing too fancy here. Pull the camera back slightly. As you can see, I did the Ringling Brothers in Barnum and Bailey, which is right off the box. Told you it was box stock. All right. What's my review of it? My review of it was okay. I had some problems with underneath. There's a lot of parts I couldn't figure out where they went, where they go to. The instructions are kind of not great. You see I'm missing all the stick shifts in there, in the cab there. Little problem with the hood getting on. A little dust there. Getting on there. There is a full engine in there. I detailed the top of it. Not detailed, but detail painted. And then in order for it to fit on the frame just right, you can see it's kind of popped up a little there. But the frame just right, I had to glue the hood down on it. So kind of a little goofy there. But anyways, here it is. This is in Rust-Oleum Sunset Yellow. And everything's right out of the box. The interior is a tight fit inside of the cab. That frustrated me. There was a lot of swearing involved in that. Black wash right here with the radiator. The lanterns on the side of the truck were kind of hard to get in there. Well, they weren't hard to get in there. They were kind of a pain to get them to stay in there. This front bumper piece kind of gave me a couple problems trying to get that in there. But other than that, it goes together fairly decent. I know there's a lot of good reviews of this kit online. I would say take your time. This is not a throw together kit. Well, I thought it was kind of cool, and if I do this build, if I do this kit again, because I know there's a log truck, and I think there's an old tanker truck that's the same kit, is you can make it the half cab, where you can cut the top off here and be an open thing. That's kind of a cool deal. I'd be interested in doing that so you don't have the same cab over and over again. I had fun building this. Like I said, little challenging, couple pieces didn't want to fit in properly. Underneath, I had all sorts of problems trying to get parts together under the chassis, but you know, when it was done here, it came out pretty decent. I kind of wish I didn't do such a bright yellow on it, even though the box is kind of a bright yellow and very similar. I don't know. It just looks kind of toyish to me at that point. But other than that, I'd say it looks pretty decent. You know, it's got the nice back there. You can store whatever you want in there. Let's take this and put this back here. Yay, Hot Wheels. Alright. Because, you know, the circus, why not? Alright. So, my review of the kit is, yes, I recommend it. Yes, you should take your time. Yes, I should get a stand for my camera. And, yeah. It's worth giving it a shot if you haven't given it a shot. Alright, everybody. I know this is a short review. Not one of my favorite builds here, but it looks pretty good. So, I appreciate everybody watching. Appreciate my subscribers. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. There's a lot of cool kits coming up. A lot of cool reviews that I'm doing here very shortly. And there's always something on the bench. So, stay tuned. Alright, everybody, wherever you're at, whatever you're doing, stay tuned for a slideshow. I'll catch you guys later.